Hey, Jacob here from ABC. Today we are taking a look at the Camp Goblin rope grab backup device. So let's dive in. Now before we start, you should know that the information in this video is accurate as of the date of filming. However, for most up-to-date information, you should always refer to manufacturer's instructions. You should also know this video is for informational purposes and is not a replacement for proper training. So let's take a look at a few of the basic features of the Camp Goblin. It has two basic modes. In this case, it's in up-only mode. That's useful when you're ascending or if you want to stick the device in place to keep it from drifting down and minimize fall distance. It also has up-down mode, so with the flip of the switch, it will now trail up and down with you as you work, and of course, in case of a fall, it will lock into place. Now the device opens with the lever on the faceplate. You can slide it open and you can see that there's an arm in here, which is what the carabiner is connecting to. When there's pressure on that, it clamps down on the rope, keeping the device from going up and down. Now you'll see that the device also has a small loop on the back. That's for attaching an accessory cord and tying it off to your carabiner, which makes the device drop-proof while you're taking it off of the rope. Now, for rope compatibility, the Camp Goblin is an ANSI-rated device when used with approved 11mm or 7/16 inch kern mantle rope. The Goblin is compatible with the Camp Goblin lanyard, which features the rope surfer. For ANSI, make sure to use a steel oval ANSI-rated carabiner. So, that was a little bit about the Camp Goblin. For more information or to purchase, check out our website, and as always, thanks for watching.